coming.
Race number 8 is already on its way. Race number 8 includes Clean Water Warriors in lane 1, Apex in lane 2, and Asia Bank Aqua Ninjas in lane 3. This is a mixed corporate challenge. They're about to be reach the halfway mark, and it looks like Apex and Asia Bank Aqua Ninjas are close. Half a boat length away. Asia Bank Aqua Ninjas is trying to pull away.
Woo!
This could be another tight one. 6 seats, 8 seats. One boat length away. Check out the steer in lane 3. He's quite dramatic, isn't he? But
they're starting.
So which one is lane 1? The one over there?
All the way at the end. I think they're over there all the way at the end. Number 3, the first one. They're close.
Is that them in the back?
Oh, actually, I think that's them. They're way behind. Yeah.
last call for Tech Road Flagship. Tech Road Flagship, please report to marshalling. All right, look at this last race. Boat number 2 just overpowered everybody. Woo!
Someone's not even rowing.
Race, here they come.
You recording?
Yep. Did you press the green?
It's rolling.
What lane are they?
3.
Is that the one on the left or the right?
The right.
On the right.
So far right?
Far right.
All the way up on the right. 3. They
I
started
would better pedal
slow.
quick. And Amy. I know they can hear
All
it.
right,
They hear
looks
the
like
video.
another close race,
I came here to watch this race.
especially between
They better
lane
win.
2 and 3. Virtual Dragons in 1, East Rising Black Dragons in 2.
I want them to blow them out.
They're very in close company here.
They're smart because look, their waves are going against each other right there. They have their
Yeah.
own like stream.
They shouldn't be.
Looks like Black Dragons are pulling ahead.
Black dragons.
Black Dragons are pulling ahead. Aqua Ninjas,
Oh, come on.
number 3.
Come on.
Aqua Ninjas, number 3.
Oh, no.
Now
getting
it's a battle
tired.
for second place.
They're getting
for
tired.
Minor.
We're getting tired.
I know.
Here we come.
It was close though.
20 strokes to go. East Rising Black Dragons represent. Followed by Aqua Ninjas.